Good afternoon, students. We are on exercise 13.1, solving question number 4. Identify the greater number wherever possible in each of the following. The first one is 4 to the power 3 or 3 to the power 4. Four to the power 3 is written as 4 into 4 into 4, or 3 to the power 4 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So, on solving this one, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, and 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So, dear students, from 64 and 81, 81 is greater. So, we will write here answer 3 to the power 4 is greater. The next one question is 5 to the power 3 or 3 to the power 5. On solving 5 to the power 5, it will be 5 into 5 into 5, or 3 to the power 5 is written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, or 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, 81 3s are 243. So, dear students, 243 is greater than 125. So, we will write here as answer 3 to the power 5 is greater. So, third and fourth question you have to do by yourself. Question number 5 is 2 to the power 10 or 10 to the power 2. To solve 2 to the power 10, write 2 into 2 into 2 10 times, or 10 to the power 2 can be written as 10 into 10. On solving this one, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 2s are 128, 128 2s are 512, 512 2s are 1024. So, dear student, 1024 is greater than 100. So, we will write here 2 to the power 10 is greater. Now, question number 5. Express each of the following as product of powers of their prime factors. Students, we have to prime factorize these numbers. This is 648. To solve this 648, we have to prime factorize this number. Here, unit place number is 8, which is even number. So, we will divide this number by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again, unit place number is 4, and which is divisible by 2. So, again divide by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4. Again, unit place number is 2. Divide again by 2. 2 8s are 61, 2 1s are 2. Now, unit place number is 1. This number is cannot be divisible by 2. Now, add these both the numbers. 8 plus 1 is 9. As 9 comes in the table of 3, so this number is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 6 remains 2. 2 1, 21. 3 7s are 21. Again, 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So, students, this is the prime factorization of 648. We can write this one like this. 2 कितने टाइम्स आया है यहाँ पर? 2 into 2 into 2. We will write here this one time. 2 into 2 into 2. 3 comes here 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So, write here 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now, how many times 2 comes here? 3 times. So, write here in the form of power as 2 to the power 3 into 3 comes 4 times. So, write here 3 to the power 4. So, our answer is 648 is equal to 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4. Similarly, we are solving 405 on prime factorization. Unit place number is 5. This number cannot be divisible by 2. We will divide it by 3. Why? because the sum of these digits is 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 15. Again, this number is divisible by 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. Again 45 is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. Then 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. 5 1s are 5. So 405 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. 3 comes here 4 times. So in the form of power we can write 3 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 1. Third question you have to do it by yourself. Next questions you can do yourself, students. Question number third, fourth. Now question number 6 is simplify. First one, 2 into 10 to the power 3. We have to simplify the powers here. 2 into 10 is 3 times, so write 10 into 10 into 10. 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000, so it is 1000 into 2. 2 ones are 2 and the 3 zeros are there, so it is 2000. Now second question is 7 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2. 7 to the power 2 can be written as 7 into 7 into 2 into 2. 7 sevens are 49 into 2 twos are 4. 49 fours are 9 fours are 36. Carry over 3 4 fours are 16. 16 and 3 19. This is 196. Now student, question number 3 and 4 are similar. You can do yourself. Question number 5, 0 into 10 to the power 2. 0 into 10 square, 10 to the power 2 can be written as 10 into 10. 10 tens are 100. When any number is multiplied with 0, the answer is 0. So 10 into 100 into 0 is equal to 0. This question you have to do by yourself. Question number 6, 7 and 8. Now question number 7, simplify. minus 4 to the power 3. Dear students, इसे हम सॉल्व करेंगे. -4 into -4 into -4. Now multiply the numbers. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. Now multiply the signs. minus minus plus, plus minus minus. और you can say माइनस यहाँ पर 3 टाइम है, मतलब पावर कैसी है यहाँ पर ऑड है, तो हमारा आंसर कैसा होगा, माइनस में होगा. यदि पावर कैसी होगी, इवन होगी, तो हमारा आंसर प्लस में आएगा. द नेक्स्ट वन, -3 इंटू 10 टू द पावर -3 इंटू 2 टू द पावर 3. -3 is as written as it is. -2 to the power 3 can be written as -2 into -2 into -2. First multiply the numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8. 2 की पावर 3 ऑड है, इसलिए यहाँ पर माइनस आ जाएगा. -3 minus minus will be plus. 8 3s are 24. So our answer is 24. Now question number 4, -2 to the power 3 into 10 -10 to the power 3. -2 to the power 3 can be written as -2 into -2 into -2 into or 3 can be written as -10 into -10 into -10. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, it is -8. 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. Minus minus plus 8000 is our answer. Now students, we are starting exercise 13.2 now, in which we learn about the laws of exponents. The first law is for the multiplying powers with the same base. I already explained this law to you at the starting of this chapter. So look at here, when 4 to the power 2 into 4 to the power 2, then कॉमन बेस है, तो हम पावर्स को क्या कर देते हैं, ऐड कर देते हैं. So the law is a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Like this, 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 3, बेस सेम है, पावर का एडिशन हो जाएगा. सो इट कैन बी रिटर्न एज 2 to the power 5 plus 3. We can say that 2 to the power 8. सिमिलरली यहाँ पर p to the power 3 इंटू p to the power 3 बेस सेम है. 3 plus 2 तो ये हो जाएगा आंसर p to the power 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. So dear student, now the next law is dividing power with the same base. In this, the law is a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. जब दोनों बेस सेम है और डिवाइड में है तो पावर कैसी होंगी, सब्सट्रैक्ट होंगी. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन लॉ इज a to the power m इंटू एन इज इक्वल टू m इंटू एन. एम एन के बीच में कोई साइन नहीं है, इसका मतलब मल्टीपल का साइन है. a to the power m इंटू b to the power m इज इक्वल टू, पावर दोनों की सेम है तो हम इन दोनों नंबर्स का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके उसके ऊपर पावर लिख देंगे. नाउ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट लॉ, व्हेन देयर इज ए ज़ीरो इन द एक्सपोनेंट देन a to the power 0 इज इक्वल टू 1. जब भी किसी नंबर के पावर में ज़ीरो हो तो आंसर हमेशा क्या आएगा, 1 ही आएगा. नाउ exercise 13.2, using laws of exponent, simplify and write the answer in exponential form. So the first one question, 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 4 plus 3 to the power 8. by law, which one law, बेस सेम है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन का साइन है, तो लॉ कौन सा लगेगा, a to the power m into n. So we can write it बेस सेम 3, पावर का एडिशन करेंगे 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4 is 6 into 3 to the power 8. Now these two numbers are there. Again by law, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. We get 3 into 3 to the power 6 plus 8. ऑलवेज पावर को 3 के ऊपर लिखें. यदि आप 3 के साथ में लिखेंगे, ऑलवेज राइट पावर like this one, 3 to the power 4. If you are writing this type, it becomes 34, which is wrong. Now 6 to the power 15 divided by 6 to the power 10. डिवाइड हैं, पावर क्या होगी, सब्सट्रैक्ट होगी. सो 6 to the power 15 minus 10 is equal to 6 to the power 5. By which law, a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Now next third one is for m multiplication. You know about the law about multiplication, question number 4 also. Now in question number 5, two laws are there. 5 to the power 2 into 3 divided by 5 to the power 3. We have to solve this one first. So on solving this, 5 to the power 2 into 3 divided by 5 to the power 3. 5 to the power 2 3s are 6 divided by 5 to the power 3. So it is 5 to the power 6 minus 3. It is 5 to the power 3. So this is the answer. Now the next one question, 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5. Here powers are same. So we can write these two bases in the bracket. 2 into 5 to the power 5. By law, a to the power m into b to the power m is equal to a into b to the power m. Now, so this the answer is 2 5s are 10, 10 to the power 5. Question number 7 is on the same law. Question number 8, 3 to the power 4 into 3. You can write this one as 3 to the power 4 into 3. So it becomes 3 to the power 4 3s are 12. So by which law, a to the power m into n is equal to a to the power mn. Now question number 9 and 10 you can do by yourself. Question number 2 is simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. Students, this is the question 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4 into 4 upon 3 into 32. Here 32 is given, so we have to solve these 32 by prime factorization method. You know the prime factorization: 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, then 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So here 2 1 2 3 4 5, 5 2s are there, so 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5. The next rest one is as it is. 4 can be written as 2 2s are 4, 2 into 2. So here 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 2 upon 3 into 2 to the power 5. नाउ जो कॉमन है, जैसे सेम बेस है, उनको हम साथ में लेंगे. 2 to the power 3 plus 2 into 3 to the power 4 upon 3 into 10 to the power 5. This is 3 plus 2 will be 5. So it is 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 4 upon 3 into 2 to the power 5. Dear students, now you can write it as सेम बेस को हम लिखें 2 to the power 5 upon 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 4 upon 3. You can write this one also. Then applying division law for the exponents. So by applying the law, it becomes 2 to the power 5 minus 5 into 3 to the power 4 minus 1 by this one law. 5 minus 5 will be 0. When power is 0, then our answer will be 1. So it is 1 into 3 to the power 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. So this is the answer. Now question number 2 is 5 to the power 2 into 3 into 5 to the power 4. On solving this bracket, it is 5 to the power 2 3s are 6 into 5 to the power 4 divided by 5 to the power 7. स्टूडेंट्स बेस सेम है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन का साइन है, तो पावर्स क्या होगी, ऐड हो जाएगी. सो इट इज़ 5 to the power 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 will be 10 divided by 5 to the power 7. So it is 5 to the power 10 minus 7. It will be 5 to the power 3. This is our answer. The third one question you have to do by yourself. First of all प्राइम फैक्टराइज कर लीजिए 25 का, देन इसे सॉल्व कीजिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज 3 into 7 square into 11 to the power 8 अपॉन 21 into 11 to the power 3. हम पहले 21 को प्राइम फैक्टराइज कर रहे हैं. 3 7s are 21 के फॉर्म में. बाकी क्वेश्चन एज इट इज़ है. रेस्ट लिया 3 upon 3, 3 की पावर 1, यहाँ भी 1 है. सो दोनों डिवाइड में हैं, तो हम ये वाला फार्मूला लगाएंगे, डिवीजन फार्मूला फॉर द एक्सपोनेंट्स. इट बिकम्स 3 to the power 1 minus 1 into 7 to the power 2 minus 1 into 11 to the power 8 minus 3. 1 minus 1 will be 0, so it is 3 to the power 0 into 7 to the power 2 minus 1 will be 1 into 8 minus 3 will be 5, so it is 11 to the power 5. So this is the answer. Now question number 5, 6 and 7 you can do by 7 by yourself. Question number 9, 2 to the power 8 into a to the power 5 upon 4 to the power 3 into a to the power 3. First of all solve the 4 by prime factorization method. 2 to the power 8 into a to the power 5 upon 4 is the square of 2. You can write it as 2 square to the power 3 into a to the power 3. फर्स्ट वन अभी सॉल्व करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ब्रैकेट ने सॉल्व करा. 2 to the power 2 3s are 6 बाय द फार्मूला दिस वन इंटू a to the power 3. अब हम फार्मूला यहाँ पर दोनों बेस सेम है, ये दोनों आपस में डिवाइड में है. सो फार्मूला लगेगा a to the power m डिवाइडेड बाय a to the power n. So it will be 2 to the power 8 minus 6 into a to the power 5 minus 3. So it is 8 minus 2 is 2 into a to the power 2. So students, our answer is 2a to the power 2. The next question we will do in next chapter. So the question number 10, 11 and 12 you have to do by yourself. From question number 3 we will solve in next lecture. Thank you students. Complete your fair copies.